In a world with a dream of quality, affordable housing can feel increasingly out of reach. Zeffert and Associates stands at the forefront of change. We embody a vision where every community can boast an accessible supply of top-tier, affordable housing for everyone. Zeffert University, this innovative online platform, is the culmination of decades of experience, now available at your fingertips. Zeffert University redefines industry standards through hands-on training that simplifies learning, optimizes speed, and harnesses the unparalleled guidance that only Zeffert and Associates can offer. Since its inception in 1994, Zeffert and Associates has tirelessly pursued a mission to deliver housing compliance and training solutions that outpace and outshine the rest. Recognized as an industry leader and a best place to work by the St. Louis Business Journal, Zeffert has blossomed into a nationwide phenomenon, headquartered in St. Louis, operating across the United States with an unwavering commitment to excellence. Imagine immersing yourself in courses designed to elevate your understanding and skills in crucial areas. Zeffert University is not merely about achieving certifications. It's about unlocking a world of opportunity to make a tangible difference in communities across the nation. Welcome to Zeffert University, where your future in affordable housing awaits.